Deputy President, huwezi tembea hapa Kisii. Osoro kaa, hiyo ni ndogo bwana. Osoro kaa. Kaa Osoro. Kaa chini. Kaa chini. Kaa, hiyo biashara naijua mzuri bwana. Wewe wacha. Kaa chini. Bwana Deputy President. Bwana Deputy President, huwezi kuja Kisii. Sisi kama wa Kisii hatuwezi kuwa kwamba watu ambao unatembea nao, it's not our face. Unatembea na wezi, wash. Hawa watu ndio unatembea na wao around. Unataka tufanye nini? Kwa hivyo tunaomba, nataka niseme, hakuna vile. Ni wangapi wanasema niendelee? Sasa asante. Nataka nimalize nikisema kwamba sisi kama jamii ya Omo Gusii, naomba Bwana Deputy President, sisi wakati wewe ulikuwa ODM pamoja na baba, mlikuwa watu wawili pamoja. Watu wetu wa Kisii wengi waliuawa kule Rift Valley. Omba msamaha hapa sasa. Omba msamaha kwa watu wetu ambao walikufa kule Rift Valley. Wewe wacha. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema hii biashara
check. Hello. Ebu nyote muli. Hello. Tafadhali tuketi. Tafadhali tuketi, please. Tutulie kwenye viti. Tafadhali muketi. Tafadhali tuketi. Abantu bami ndola ikaranse. Komoranje ikaransa. Hello. Abagusiba binto yono gavana yono James Ongwa kwana Obuana bwasoira. I've taken over now. Mugwete Abagusies Mwaika have taken over the program. I have taken over this program. Oyonongwa Okwana, Ikaranza Mwensipi. Everybody sit down. I have taken over this program. Sit down. I want you to listen to me. Kimuranche Karanza. Abantu baminto Kimuranche Karanza. Ikaranza. Oyoneka bana ino James Ongwa Okwana antagete mokire kiri Kimuranche. Abantu baminto gakita tataru wanjaya Ikaranza mokire ndeto mugabana abakwaniye tafadhali Ikaranza wono kaso mwenzi please abantu mutu ekaso mwenzi simategara abantu mutu nani abantu mwenzi rianga sote wanda wansi bego anta baskam kachiri tafadhali lakini bartika wa Ikaranza baharia ndeto mugabana abakwaniye Ikaranza sike familia abandara mutu wa musoke mutu aba mutoke tafadhali soka tafadhali kama mutu aba police aya nani no tafadhali ngawa nankoreta kuwa na bono nani tafadhali wasi nani askari toa watu kama naongea sasa toa tafadhali na mtu wa aksu kama higa umate mbakuru wa mtu wa mtarawa clear from here please I thought kama mtu almeka babere abana clear kabisa murwa karo agaki dara soka agaki tiku soka agaki oyengo was mbiamono sana tigatogendera no mukutano tafadhali bono senata mogeni senata akisoka nalibara sogoti alia kama na korangeli bweka was mbiamono bona Ikaranza yang soke banda abachialinse Ikaranza kama na kuane koro akora muri butua mbiamono bono tiga kwa heshima ndeto musani otata omusani otata mugabano ito okay ngoli weka ngo musiki ori otera we kanisa abang na jumote kanisa njo motere badi tera kurwa bun oh no to masakoro pastor nada kumoya kaka wanakakwa nenda mwari makakwa aya tata so kama ya bari makakwa ne haleluya neno la Mungu lasema kwamba fukeni enyi malango enyi malango ya kale ili mfalme mtukufu wasi mbiamono
television chiga ya tende stadium hivyo ya masanga yoko mwanya kusimamaka Abel Gongera ya bero sinona kego yekubatikana kiria yarikore kana n'ekibura wa asaba na siasa bali mu Rwanda tadukunyoringa gati y'abageni baba bagukirana asomo yokorega ngamwe deputy president Oyibugo oyina n'abagwatani bayo nyiranga cyane cy'ibyo cyose ncyabwate abagwatani babo bara bajumbe abayibo n'abansiye n'amashabiki iki ariko rekana no gusaruka kumuroberi uyu muntu ya yiranga konyari atanga ndado kunyita bakangire na siasa tebese kwanelwa ase egekalikwega ngo umusimangi ugiye sire na katumwaba abo kana na siasa tebe kwanelwa kujima ase amatanga yaiga kwenda bana siasa kuna bali kumerengecho yabo ni go bayirana guchaka gukwana mangana siasa ekere bona dekia samba munene kero moske simbaratu yo mujumbe wensema WS arenge kwana egori kore kana atari no kubanyana umuske la murito achikotenana akikirego ko president nana tora motera batanga gaiga bana sinse amachiro gaiga bwatani bo mukonjo muraibu ensomoske la murito mbaro naboigo abagwatani baye la mbaro kibono kirera ekerosi barati kwana ni goli bereri moka ururi kondo naboigo yari ko bangana kisegi kuri none nabogono buno ligere tiko chimutu ali mwanchu ligere kibura buruiga kuri kire go bachiwotene nabuna oligere tiko chimutu ali mo governor bu county ya Kisii Mosque James Mwayi bakubwatana na no deputy governor Mosque Ashmangi wabere bakwirari bagana kuri boteneri gwege karekega igonga nakuba tebanga ndo morende nkwira nure egere program egende batayara bajumbe bakwanire nabo igo naba MCA bakego bakwanire bonege karekego chikana nugochia saba senator boymen rep abo igo amo nabaraibande abana natuskatambe muranga nigature live megatembe television network igonga ntugendera koletera amangana yaiga unagenderete kubuchira.
Excellency, the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, and the leader of my party, Raila Amolo Odinga, the members of Parliament who are here, both from the Senate and the National Assembly, abantu baminto bawo machoge abakioni mura abambaba abaochina aba machoge ne amate ya ino yonsi esiya ikakorbo basi South Mugrango Bonchari Yaribali twensi korboge tutu na sanda onsipi. God is good. And all the time, isn't he good? Who would have thought you would be quiet like you are right now? With all these prayers, Pastor, I sincerely thank you for your good prayers. And myself as a governor of this county, I feel very, very, very low with the type of behavior that I've seen here. I hope I don't see it again. Because the old man here was 101 years. I wish I had taken over this program from the start. But I've now come here. Abagusiba mintontara kwana kende. Abagaka mbarega iga mugaka gatima somo agenda. onye mo gako minto a chair ya Council of Governors ato igorero mukutano nanga ato igorere tebuya oyo minto matundura timaiti sikuage ande kiagera matundura inu mogoteba bagaka ngati mo igorera abasae ero nigo bara baise ko buna chinkore abagaka bataranywa marua gose bono naenda bagusiba teba ngabasae mbasa mbetege sakio mugaka gose bono ono moro chirende abagaka abagana kiekogera in all my meetings nko allow abagaka batu chakira umukutano gose bono ngakiere teri boyga abantu baminto esimwaika tetemba ikupaka ari maega igonta getemba tebinga bagusie twaikire unabono toreiga na indu twaisanire togo ikaranse mesa imoisa inu mo ikaranse mesa igo mwe wale tu mo ikaranse mesa twaisanire togo ikaranse mesa eke to isaini togo ikaranse mesa ntoko ruanira basacha bande abakungu morega igonye mwaro rabasacha abakorwana mobori gose mubwata abasacha ekiarestu aikire bono ekirigente gento kerebuya. Let me come back to my brother Joash Mahangi. Even before I say that, I think it's extremely unfair that we have two leaders that I just want them to come here, they just salute. Kimura anche abande mbakuwa na ababere bago salute goka. Omosene to itokoro nyamira ngayore kiara ko chakara bono nobody is going to talk. Omosene to ito nyamira anchuote na abakorore. Omoswati ominto mama ngina bantu nchuote nenega aiga. Omoswati onde koru oma beitindo jimuro chiogo tenaga. Wanga Gladys, they are not going to talk, they will just salute to you. Nginabantu Senator Kwamboka no yonde nare narao munyoka nere koruana nere tigacha Millicent Yomanga chua Millicent nanya korawa suati ba koruan ori akoro kutindi ko bai baga nobody is talking oyo akoro ku Millicent Omanga igare nominated igare kwerende Nairo Mochumbe korwa koru Nairobi no are Nairobi no mwana minto koruga gusi. Just go away. No, yeah, thank you. Oyo Kabere, please. Yes. Yeah, please. Go sadirore kwerende, just go away. Genda karua babo ndeta iko kuana noyo, go away. Go away. Kusio moswati oyiga akimuranji. Oyo Kabere karuo abachumba abeke raini karuo
Senator Mocherwe kurwa se county ya Nairobi Musubati Millicent Omanga ngata tukobeterera yaguri baga aru kwano kuri mu governor we county ya Kisii nya kurinde bano bino gende tukora chibichechio nabo liberera libwatete kegima nabo liberera libwatete kegima ase ejukwega kirabona omugavana ngwaye atebire mundu tayo oguchikegwa libagari ogukwana ndetayo oguchikegwa libagari ogukwana igona amatanga yaiga arengera omochoko nabo omochoko ligiri koba ogusarika kurinde na igatubwate kwirena kirabona omusike ongwaye atebire mundu tayo oguchikwana ebonsi baikaransibwe tuchikororanga nandinga nkigiro chikogenderera koba gendera kubwatia getendo television network kinga kichiga chimfu gendera kubwatia getendo TV tebe toko korokia masizo chikogo chiragabwa ayamasayemo tebe kumanyanga inki kegendera
kirengo korande oyo minto mwana minto deputy governor Joash Gongera kima etiko so yo minto omwana oyo minto gali go sanawara ekero 2007 ekero na tagete ko tenobo 2013 ekero na ko tenobo governor 2013 ekero na ko tenobo governor nkanyora abantu babere ba korwense meyemo oyo minto gali noyo minto Joash ekero na abanyora Nairobi nkanyora bonsi obatate ko tenobo obo chumbe karuo nkagamba nabarobwo nkabatebya inumwenzi n'abantu baminto nande komu abantu baminto takorwana tokaigwana that time maito sokari unacheta akaba mochumbe noyo mwana oyo minto akaba deputy governor tuabeire nere tuabere na Joash tugakore tamu ya gati entangani entu asoire tamu ya kabere nere aba machoke ba minto tinje tigo yo minto Joash no tore nere naende iganga kelte simchinsa ikomina mochi amambi tagete montegerere akanga kele simchinsa ikomina mochi amambi akatemu wako muabo sirire kamote Joash onyomo gako yo minto manyete gongero osirire montigera mangana yono ena ibono genda otimoke nga fomu ya committee inero ya gade to karanse gabon nechi committee cha enkuru Nairobi esa audio no mwana mitu akode nere gasi and we have been together intubu no mogusi na inche mwaigure nko bate very many times iyo nko bate binga 92 aikirenga kibondo kwente kote na ukaranse mesa na intu abasacha abekero bago cha kotebanga ningo koriki na intu nto ye tobe ko montemesa una abagusi mwegwete inatomwa amaiga yo mwana minto matiangi Joash nangero ngori ya echiringi 1000 mombo atega iga na endo teba mwaku na even this morning igaba kusiba minto taete mumanyenga intwe unomo gusi na abantu twaje tobomo ekiano 2007 ekere michando ya rengo ngakie yo ekere michando ya rengo 2007 abantu baje tega iga seitoga gusiba kacha komenyo na 2013 naende bagacha ga seito gusiko menyo esa urtoro monto yo mo naende tuanje twe to na intu to menyete chinse mo chinde chinyingi igonta getemba te abagusiba minto tigatuanchane na ento manya na intu bunege saku na intu aikire stage bono na intu ese yeito ya Kenya na intu to kwenda kwikaransa mesa iguru nengatie yimbono tali yankyo ngira neso mo wako mintore eso yo mintoga iga when I was working in the office of the president and my brother William became a member of parliament. I think it was in 1997. We became friends when he came to the office of the president. And we are still friends. And then I've got my brother here, Raila Amolo Odinga. We have worked with this man for a long time. I've even been his chief campaign manager. And I can tell you for a fact that we are dealing with a grand old man of politics of Kenya here. Mogaka Tuensto Sigete. So all of you are welcome to Kisii. This is a great county. These are great people. These are people that are going to make a very serious decision in 2022. Because when we are together, the number of Gusii people in Kisii and Nyamira and those in the diaspora, the number is almost equal. So we are going to make a very big decision in 2022. And it will be an independent decision at that particular time. Because we know who is good and who is not good. It is not inside here. We all know who is good and who is not good. So at that time we'll make a decision. Ladies and gentlemen, let me not talk too much, but let me say this, that as a country where we are right now, and even the changes that we need to make, for instance, the new constitution has got 35% of the budget coming to the counties. 35% from the current 15%. And that is a fact. Abagusiba minto mo igwete. Ekinege ndogote kotolete rama genderero. Aba anchete igobara abange. Mbarenga motete bibi.